My name is Levi Griffin. I'm coming from Atlanta, Georgia. Before this program, I actually worked 2 jobs. It was a lot of work, man. The 16-hour days eventually just piled up on me. Just looking for something where it would be stable, a decent schedule so I can at least have my social life along with my work life. And this was just the perfect place. The only experience that I could say I have with tools is probably just like my car light. And that's, yeah. First seen the ad scrolling through my Instagram story, if I'm being honest. I didn't think it was real. I looked at it again and I was like, what the heck? They got the best teachers here, really. They just step you through everything. And I don't mind asking questions. And I'm glad, I don't annoy them asking so much questions. It is pretty convenient that this is just a 5-week course. And plus it's being paid too. So couldn't even imagine if I was doing this like for a year or something, let alone like 6 months. Learning a lot about rivets, fasteners, different kinds of wrenches, using the punch and tapping panels and how to put them in and stuff like that. They brought out a pretty good viewpoint. A good scope of how Penske is. Even on my first initial tour visit to my location, I can just tell, how the culture was, where they just kept everything clean. They don't really look slouchy or, like I don't want to be here. They kind of prepped up and like, hey, they look like they were friendly and everything. The guy who wants to get his hands dirty, the guy who, doesn't mind being here, who comes in early, and the person who just really wants to work, that's definitely what this program is for. I don't know how it is for other locations, but at mine, they said it's like a $6 increase after you go from a Tech 3 to a Tech 2. And, that just sparked alarms in my head right then and there. I do a confident approach with everything, but I was nervous. I didn't come in, acting like I knew everything, but I was definitely like confident and just like willing to learn and like getting ready to do these things.
The hotel being taken care of and the travel, was that a big?
Oh yeah, that was a big factor. I couldn't even like buy a flight over here or even like pay a week in a hotel. This was a really good opportunity. It was a lot of money, and you know what? I'm very grateful for it. So many times where I was looking for a job that is at least 20 an hour. Interview after interview, application that you have no idea. It's definitely gonna be life-changing for me.